Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I have a whole foods plant-based breakfast from the Dollar Tree. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. All right guys, so Dollar Tree isn't really known for its healthy food, but if you look around and look close enough, you can actually find some really healthy foods. So today I'm going to show you how to make a whole food plant-based breakfast from the Dollar Tree. It is your classic overnight oats. So let's go over what they carry. They carry low-fat soy milk. They also carry coconut milk that you can use. I'll show you a can here. I'm about to use this in another recipe. So if you want to see that recipe using coconut milk and mangoes found at the Dollar Tree, go ahead and click that little red subscribe button down below, as well as the notification icon so you don't miss that video. But anyways, back to today's video. So they have low-fat soy milk. They carry, these are quick oats, which are basically just rolled oats. They're just cut and rolled smaller so they cook quicker. They carry frozen blueberries. They carry also frozen strawberries, frozen mangoes, frozen peaches, all kinds of different frozen fruits that you can put in your overnight oats. So let's get started. Overnight oats are incredibly simple and easy. You can make them ahead of time. They'll last up to 5 days in the fridge, but if you're using quick oats, I recommend making them the night before or maybe like 2 days at a time. That way they don't sit too long. So let's see here. My daughter, she's 3, but she eats like a grown man. So I'm going to fill this up to 6 ounces, which is, what is that, like 3/4 of a cup. So, oh, that's about a cup. Put some back. She doesn't eat quite like a man like that. Okay, so there's 3/4 of a cup of oats. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put in my milk. Let me actually shake this up really quick. So I'm just gonna basically put enough milk to get to almost the top of the oats. So let me lean forward so you can kind of see. I'm not putting much more milk in there than the oats. That way it's not too like soupy in the morning. All right, and then I'm gonna just cut open these blueberries here. And I basically, for me, I fill up the rest of the jar with fruit. So that is it. That is your quick and easy overnight oats. Like I said, you can make these a couple days in advance. Just go ahead and stick it in your fridge. And then you have a nice healthy breakfast that you can just dump into a bowl or eat straight out of here. This is a standard pint jar, so it's 2 cups. My daughter, on really cold mornings, I throw this in the microwave for like 45 seconds to a minute just to give it a little bit of warmth so it's not so cold. And that's it. So the blueberries will thaw overnight and you have delicious oatmeal in the morning. So there you go. Whole food plant-based breakfast from the Dollar Tree. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And again, if you're not a subscriber, click that red subscribe button down below and I'll see you next time.